Hey there everyone! Welcome back to Easy Drawing Guides. Today we're going to learn how to draw an easy flying dragon. Draw a curved line at the bottom, another one on top, and a third line to connect the two. Inside this shape, draw the pupil and fill it in. Draw a short curved line above the eye. For the top of the head, we draw a curvy M shape like a simple bird. Continue with a line underneath. Add a tiny oval for the nostril. Add a short curvy line for the cheek, and sketch a curve underneath the mouth to create the jaw. On top of the head, use loopy curved lines to outline the horn. Draw a vertical curved line for the front of the body, then a long S shape for the back of the neck. We'll draw the arm. Draw a curving line with 3 loops creating the fingers. Complete the arm with another curving line. Draw a line outlining the belly. Then, add the leg with a curve, followed by a short line, and 3 rounded, uneven triangles for the claws. Then, add an upside-down L shape. Now, we'll add the wing. Sketch a semicircle, and add 3 smaller semicircles at the back of the wing. Connect them with a long curving line. Sketch a wide curve for the underside of the tail, then taper the curve to a point and complete the tail with another wavy line. Add lines inside the wings for depth and texture. Draw a spade shape on the tip of the tail. Then, add scales with a series of small wavy lines. Now, draw the other wing with 1 short curve close to the back and 2 curving lines outlining the rest of the wing. Last, we add a couple of lines to texture the stomach. And there we have it, our flying dragon. I hope you enjoyed drawing this flying dragon with me. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be discouraged if it doesn't look perfect the first time. Until next time, keep drawing and have fun.